How to add music to Facebook post. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily add a music on a photo on your Facebook post. So let's just jump right in. Go ahead and open up your Facebook application first. Once you open up your Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on the plus icon to add a new post. So just tap on what's on my mind. Then from here, you can add photo or video from your gallery. So here I've selected an image from the gallery. Once you've done that, as you can see, there is an option to add any music. But if you want to add more photos, you could just tap on this to add more photos. I'm just gonna add this one right here. Now, all you have to do is tap on edit option at the top left. Then at the top, you'll find the music icon. So if you head over there, you should be able to add different music. So just select the one that you want. So let me just go ahead and select a random music. And once you have selected your music, just go ahead and choose the part where you want to add, then tap on done. Select where you want to add the lyrics, or if you want to hide the lyrics, you could do that as well, or just add your music. So that's pretty much it, guys. Once you've done that, just tap on done again, and you can post this like so. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.